Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. I'll let you open your activity book. Open your EVS activity book. I'm giving homework to you first of all. In the yesterday class, we completed our workbook. Plants and animal lesson workbook is completed. You have to complete the activity book at your home. This is the homework to you. Okay? Here in the group A, parts of some plants are given in the group A, and parts of the flowers which are related to part A is given here. You must give the number. Okay? Next, label each component in the process of photosynthesis. Take the help of your course book and complete this. Here also, plant available and unavailable. Which are available and which are not available, you must complete. Here, where do you find the animals? Cross the add one in each group. Where do on the ground? Here on the land is another. On the land, we can find duck and elephant, but shrimp is found in the water. So it is the different one. Different one in had a cross. Different one ni cross cheyali. And different one same cross cheyali. Next, here food habits. What are the animals of herbivorous animals? What are the omnivorous animals? What is the carnivorous animals? And what is the producer? You must producers, plants are producers. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన animals ని ఇక్కడ separate చేసి రాయండి. Next, animals and their babies. Take the help of your course book and complete. Here, take the animal which help plants to grow and survive. Which help the plants. You must tick it. Help the animals reach their homes by pasting stickers. Here stickers are there. Stickers ఉన్నాయి కదా, దాని homes ఏంటో ఇక్కడ మీరు paste చేయండి. Here, what are these animals eat? ఈ animals ఇచ్చారు కదా, ఈ animals ఏం తింటాయో ఇక్కడ food habits కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ blanks అన్ని fill up చేయండి. Okay? Activity book is a homework to you. Activity book is a homework to you. Complete it. Now all of you take your English course book. Take your English course book, page number 42. English course book, page number 42. The article town. What's the lesson name? Article town. Actually, Nana, article. What is article? What are articles? A and the are called as articles, no? What are articles? A and the. These three are called as articles. These three are called as articles. Here he built a town with articles. This poem is given to your entertainment and also to learn about the articles. Articles are very important in this sentence. It enrich our sentence, enrich our English. మన ఇంగ్లీష్ నాలెడ్జ్ని పెంచుతుంది ఆర్టికల్స్. మీరు నార్మల్గా చెప్తే మీకు ఆర్టికల్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రాదు. That's what he has given a poem to you to learn about articles. He has given a poem to you to learn about articles. What are articles? A, and the. These three are called as articles. Here there is the article town. Let's learn about that. Most of you can't stand without us, but you can't have all in chorus. Each of us appear at different time, and which that your sentence will be just fine. Most of you can't stand without us. Without me, without the article, we can't start our sentence. Articles like unda oka sentence undadu. Without article, there is no sentence. Okay? Next, but you can't have all in chorus. You don't know about that. Each of us appears at different times. Amma anni okesari ravu. Each of us means A, and the. We are three. We will come in different cases. A okasari vastundi, and okasari vastundi, da okasari vastundi. The special times are there. Special timings are there to keep them, to keep the articles, come the articles. A ఎప్పుడు పెడతాము అని తెలుసు కదా, and ఎప్పుడు పెడతాం, da. So different times we may use them in different cases. Okay? And with that your sentence will be just fine. With that, if you use the article, your sentence will be fine. Sentence structure will be fine. So articles are very, very important, Amma. We are only three people in the town wearing the indefinite or a definite pronoun. We are the three in the article town. Who are living? Three are living in the article town. In the article town, we are three. In my town. This is my town. In my town, how many are there? Three are there. In my article town, three people are there. Who are they? A, and the. In them, two are definite. Two are indefinite articles. Two are indefinite articles. Two are indefinite articles, and one is the definite article. Amma, A and are the indefinite articles. A and are the indefinite articles. In the article town, three people are there. Three people ఏం చేస్తున్నారు తెలుసా? They are wearing two pronouns. They are wearing two pronouns. What are the two pronouns? Indefinite and definite pronouns. A and both are wearing indefinite pronoun, and the is using the definite pronoun. And is using A and using the A and are the indefinite articles. A and are the indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. The is the definite article. A and is before A, got begin with a vowel sound. A is before the word begin with the consonant sound. The is when you are specific or even when you are sure of the pick. A is here. A is used before the consonant sound. A is used before the consonant sound. Amma, what are there in the alphabet? Alphabet means A to Z. Alphabet means A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is alphabet. A to Z are called the alphabet. In it, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters called as vowels. These are the vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are called vowels. The remaining letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, B, C, D, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. They are called as consonants. Totally 26 letters are there in English alphabet. In it, 5 are vowels. 5 are vowels. Remaining 21 are consonants. How many consonants are there? 21. Before the consonant sound, we use A. Before the consonant, we use A. And before the vowel sound, we have to use an. For example, apple. What's first letter? A. A is a vowel or consonant? A is the vowel. So what we have to keep? We have to keep an apple. Pen. What's first letter? P. P is the consonant. P is the consonant. Before the consonant, we have to use A. A comes before the consonant sound. And an comes before the vowel sound. And da is when you are specific or even when you are sure of the pick. Da is used before the special words, before the special things which are special to us. This is my favorite book. Don't touch the book because it is special to me. And when it is special, the sun, the moon, the earth, like that. Okay? For them we have to use the earth. For the unequal items we have to use the. Okay? Next. The bed has a mite. I go to bed at 8 in the night. There might be an article or not for a word, which only depends on how the sentence is said or heard. The bed has a might before the might. What he used? A. Okay? Might be an article. I go to bed at 8 in the night. Night. Night is a special thing. So, he used the article of the. Next. Which depends on how the sentence is said and heard. Ma. Here, before the, sometimes we use the, bed is there, Nana. Before the bed, what you used? The. Sometimes we can use a also. It is depend up on the sentence. Sentence batti change avutundi. Example చెప్తాను నేను. I bought a book. I bought a book. Okay, book. Here book. The book is. The book cost is. The book cost is 50 rupees. Amma, here is introduced about the book. Here also introduced about that book. Ade book. Here, but I used a here and here I used the. Why? Because I bought a book here. A lot of books are there. Among the lot of books, I bought a book. Okka book తీసుకున్నాను. It is not special. It is a book. That's it. But in the second sentence, specially, here in the second sentence, specially, I am introducing about that book only. Ade book. Ide book gurinchi nenu cheptunnanu. I bought a book. First sentence is common. In the second sentence, in the first sentence, this book is common. It is a normal book. That is a normal book. But in the second sentence, I am introducing about the special book. Specially, I am introducing. So, that's what I used here, the. Understand me? Here, it is general thing. It is a general word. This noun is a general word. So, I used a there. Here, specially, I am indicating about that book only, which I bought in the morning. About that book I am introducing. So, I used here the cost of the book is, the book cost is 50 rupees. Means here why I used the, specially I am indicating about that book. It is special. It is general, it is special. Using of articles is depend upon the sentence. This sentence to I bettanu, this sentence to da bettanu. It is depend upon the sentence. Sports, subjects and languages, plurals, nouns and adjectives, uncountable nouns, pronouns don't need any from the article town. Wetiki article pettadu before the sports. Cricket, volleyball, football, chess. Sorry, only sports. Cricketer, footballer. వీటన్నింటికి మనము sports ki. I am going to play cricket and again I am going to play cricket. I am going to play and cricket. I am going to play the cricket. We should not use. Before the sports, we should not use any article. And also before the subject. Subject indra Telugu, Hindi, English. Many subjects kada. These are the subjects. Before the subjects also, we should not use any article. A English. Ledu. An English. a Telugu, a Hindi. Don't use like that. Don't use any article before the subjects. Subjects ముందు ఎప్పుడు article పెట్టొద్దు. And also languages, Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil, Kannada. These are the languages, no? Before the languages also, I know and Telugu. I know I know a Telugu. I know an English. I know a Hindi. Don't say like that. లేదు I know the Telugu. అలాంటి ఆర్టికల్స్ ఎప్పుడు పెట్టద్దు. Before the languages. Before the languages also we should not use any article. And plurals, books, pens, 3 cases nana. Sports, before the sports, before cricket, and also before kabaddi. We should not use any article. We should not use any article. Article pettudu. We should not use. And for the subjects, science, social, maths, these are the subjects now. Before them also we should not use any article. Article pettudu. And also before the languages. Before the languages like Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil. These are the languages now. Before the languages also, you should not use any article. A article pettudu. And also before the plurals, plural form, cat, cats, books, pens, classrooms, rooms, boards, monkeys. These are the plurals, no? Before the plurals also we should not use any article. We should not use any article. Don't need any article down. Means we should not use any article. The is just one, but it is said as two. And here is the clue. S, say it as the when it comes before a vowel sound, but as the when after it is the consonant sound. Da. Actually, you know that da is only one. Nanu da ante okate anukuntam kada. Not da. Two are there. Two are there. We have to pronounce. Pronunciation is different. Ela pronounce cheyali before the vowel sound. Before the vowel. Vowel means owl amma. Ida owl kadra. Before the vowel we have to pronounce the owl. The and palkali. Pronounce. We have to pronounce when you are introducing before the vowel. Vowel mundu manaku article ante definite article pettalsi vaste we have to pronounce the and palkali. The అని pronounce చేయాలి. లేదు కాన్సోనెంట్ సౌండ్ ముందు లైక్ బుక్ ఇంత ముందు ఆ బుక్ అని పెట్టలేనా బుక్. Before that we have to pronounce da. దీని ముందేమో దా అని ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి. Da. Before the consonant sound. Before the vowel sound we have to pronounce the. I saw an owl. I saw an owl. The owl has bright eyes. ఇక్కడ ఏమని ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి? The. Because this is the vowel sound. Vowel sound ముందు the అని ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి. Consonant sound. Before that I gave the example. The book cost is. Here the book cost is 50 rupees. Here before the consonant sound we have to pronounce the. Before the vowel sound, we have to pronounce the. Here the, here the. Okay? Our article town is completed. Bye.